All right, in this video, I will share with you my SUI crypto price prediction for the upcoming bull run. You can see SUI up on my screen right now, trading around $1.65 per token. Market cap just over 2 billion, ranked number 58 out of all cryptos. The 24-hour trading volume, you can see it's ranked number 23. And you can see the circulating supply, just 12.31% of the tokens are in the supply, with the fully diluted market cap being 16.5 billion. Now, this is significantly larger than this here. So this is something to be mindful of with this project if you're considering to invest. What I would recommend doing is looking at the token release schedule. See if you can find the token release schedule for this project if you're considering investing, because if you see more tokens released between now and the peak of the bull run, it could obviously hurt my price prediction. If, however, you don't see a bunch more tokens unlocked and released between now and the peak of the bull run, then this thing will probably fly and do really, really well in price. So my price prediction is going to work off of this circulating supply with this market cap right here. Now, you can see all-time high, this thing was $1.96, February 14, 2024. So down 15% right now from its all-time high. And what's interesting to note on this thing is it kind of came onto the scene here in the first part of 2023, and essentially just a complete slide to the downside. Right here is when the crypto bull market began, roughly end of October. It was at 36 cents. So from 36 cents, this thing has climbed already to $1.96 at its peak. Obviously right now, as you can see, it's at $1.65. Now, this thing, if you look at when other cryptos pumped in October, a lot of other cryptos pumped in the end of October it started, but November, December, we had strong crypto pumps. But look at this thing here. This thing didn't do a crazy amount. Right here, we got end of December, okay? So New Year right here. So really, this thing just doubled in a span of, end of October to, let's say, the start of January 2024, okay? So it moved a bit, but not as much as some of the other cryptos, things like AVEX and Solana, okay? This is also a blockchain platform like AVEX and Solana, but, it's even faster than those platforms, and that's why I think this could do very well. It's just that it's still new, so it doesn't have that same level of, experience, you could say, as the likes of Solana and AVEX, okay? Now, what's interesting to note, though, on this thing is right here, you got January 8, okay? And from here, this is where this thing really started to move a lot more, okay? Now, obviously, it's, needs even more to double in price, right? The higher it goes. But you can see this is a stronger pump than this pump here. And then this pump all the way up here. So this project pumps a little bit later based on this history here than the likes of something like Solana and AVEX. So I'm watching this to see if it's going to continue. And if it does continue, you could utilize that as a way to make a gauge for if you want to invest in this thing or not. But anyway, the point of this video is to do a price prediction. So my price prediction for this thing is I think it can still 10x from here. I think you could see this thing go to about 20 billion in market cap, and a 10x from here in terms of this price would take you to around $16.50. So that is my SUI price prediction for the peak of the bull run. But remember, if we see a bunch more tokens added to the mix, it might not be able to reach that price. Okay, so my price prediction of $16.05 is working off of this circulating supply and this market cap right here. I think this project will do very well in the bull run. It's interesting to see how well it will do. Obviously, at the end of the day, this is simply my prediction and not a guarantee that it's going to happen, okay? So be mindful if you choose to invest in this project. Now, if you want to invest in SUI and there are hundreds of thousands of other cryptos at your own risk, then go to the link, first link in the description, sign up for this exchange here. It's called MEXC. It's one of the best crypto exchanges because not only do you not have to verify your identity, but you can literally invest AZEP hundreds of thousands of cryptos with the lowest fees on the market. They charge you hardly any fees to buy and sell, meaning you get to keep more of your money. Now, if MEXC is not fully functioning in your area, simply use the second link below, get access to Nord VPN, switch your IP address location to a location where it's fully functioning, and you can use it without any problems. Now, with that said, we're going to wrap up my SUI price prediction. But if you want the chance to win $100 when I do random $100 giveaways on the channel, then make sure you are subscribed. In order to have a chance, you need to be a subscriber and like and comment on all my videos that I'm making. Now, you don't have to go comment on every one. But what I mean is when you're watching a video like this, like and comment, because the more you engage with my videos, the more chances you will have to win the $100 when I do the random $100 giveaways. The way it works is the more you engage with them, the more likely I am to see you and the more likely I am to pick you for the $100 giveaway when I do it, okay? So subscribe, that's the number one rule to qualify to win 100, and then like and comment because the more visibility you have, you'll have more chances to win. A comment could be as simple as letting me know what you think of my SUI price prediction. You can let me know if you think it's low, if you think it's high. You can also let me know what you think is your price prediction for SUI. We're just doing, predictions. We're just having fun with this. It's not something that needs to be taken super, super serious, okay? And finally, you could also let me know what other cryptos you want me to cover in the next videos. With that said, we're going to wrap this up. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. Stay blessed. I wish you a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next crypto video. Let's get this money. Let's go.